Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, on the Bitcoin chart, we haven't really seen much movement today. I've just mentioned it in one of the updates I sent through on Discord. I can't really remember a day when crypto, well, really hasn't done anything while the other markets are going crazy, like gold going up still, the S&P 500, Nasdaq are going up. There's some volatility in these other markets, but crypto is not doing anything. It's kind of unusual. It might just be that they are just lagging a little bit. But yeah, that is a bit unusual. It hasn't happened like that in the same form for quite some time. So it's just an observation, really. There's maybe not any deeper meaning to it. It's just market sentiment. But yeah, it's interesting that the cryptos are just sort of in this sideways range, caught in that range. Where's that, where are the crypto bulls? So at the moment, the situation is unchanged. Yeah, we are still tracking here the yellow scenario as a primary count. So from the swing low, and by the way, I only want to take a look at the shorter time frame. Larger time frame was discussed in the previous update. So we have from the February low, when we had the strong sell-off, we had a first significant rally. And yeah, I mean, this was corrected. But look, it's already been more than a week now, this correction. It's getting frustrating. We always get these rapid movements and then long sideways consolidation. The downside momentum has definitely started to reduce, but we haven't really seen a strong start of the upside momentum yet. So I'm tracking this as a potential 1-2 setup, yes, with a third wave that could still happen, but it hasn't really confirmed the start of a third wave. The main support area for this local range, which, as I said, I'm calling a 1-2 setup, even though it's a questionable one, the main support area is between 93,640 and 95,470. This is key. This support area needs to hold in order to keep the yellow, currently slightly preferred scenario alive. So what do we need to see for further confirmation? Well, if we zoom in further, then we can see that on the local level, really on the nano level, there is another 1-2 setup. So 5 waves up and a possible 3-wave move down into nano support between 95K and 95.6K. So this is nearest support I can offer. It's holding. Any break below 95K means that likely circle wave 2 is still unfolding. What we need for first indication that a low is in, first of all, is some upside momentum, okay? There's nothing there at the moment, but pretty much a break above initial resistance would be helpful. So a break above $97,520 would be helpful to indicate that the next leg to the upside has started in a third wave. So tracking this as a wave 1, wave 2, and then a third wave would be next, then wave 4, then wave 5. I haven't labeled it because, I mean, we had so many, let's say, fake outs in this range. It will have to be changed anyway, probably. Again, I'm not trusting this. Someone asked me earlier today, aren't these 1-2 setups the setups we're normally waiting for? But I'm not so confident that they're playing out. Yeah, I mean, context is key here. It's really all about context. We have seen, let's say, various fake outs, or at least attempted breakouts that just couldn't sustain in this local range. And it just, you can't trust it, right? Until we break out of this range. This is a very, very narrow range at the moment. And the market is simply consolidating in a very, very narrow local range. And just because something looks like a micro or nano 5-wave move up, it's just not reliable. We haven't even broken above a previous high. It's just really a very, very small time frame. It's just too small. And the smaller time frame movements here on the 15-minute chart, I mean, you normally can't trust them anyway, right? They are very, very small. But still, when I see something, I highlight it because overall the market hasn't done much. What we need to see for further evidence to confirm a move is a bit of a breakout. So bit of upside momentum, a break above initial resistance, and then we've got these previous swing highs that matter. So 98,500 as next key or first key signal line that, if broken, could really help us generate that upside momentum, which would help us get out of this range. But really, what is really important is a break above the Monday. Is it Monday? Yeah, the Monday high, the 3rd of February. That would be needed, breaking above that level and then to rally in a third wave higher towards maybe 110K. So a lot more confirmation is needed. As you can see, the market hasn't really done anything. It's at a point where I just wouldn't be surprised if we break down and test 93,640. Okay, just for a reset of circle wave 2. So yeah, but this is an area to watch. I mean, it's clearly respecting the levels right now, but there's no strong buy momentum. We can get a bit more confident about it once we see a first impulsive reaction, but it's just not there at this stage. So unfortunately, not too much going on. So still hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And if you're interested in additional content, check out our main channel, MCO Global. It's new. We only launched it last week. Very positive feedback. Thanks so much for all your support. This is the channel where everything comes together. There are going to be deeper insights, macro analysis. I'm going to invite other analysts. Interviews are planned. Different topics. Again, in-depth analysis. We talk about macroeconomic factors, geopolitical, factors that affect the markets and so on, market sentiment. So check it out. Link is in the description. Have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.